ticket to the monsters ball. If you're invisible to all the world, or too scary to find a girl, I know a place where your looks could kill. In a house on that haunted hill, there'll be Dracula, Frankenstein, and werewolf men, zombies, mummies, and skeletons, dancing and singing on Daniel's house. Just buy a ticket to the monsters ball. There'll be Dracula, Frankenstein, and werewolf men, zombies and mummies and skeletons, dancing and singing on Daniel's house. Just buy a ticket to the monsters ball. Dracula, Frankenstein, and werewolf men, zombies and mummies and skeletons, dancing and singing on Daniel's house. Just buy a ticket to the monsters ball. Dracula, Frankenstein, and werewolf men, zombies and mummies and skeletons, dancing and singing on Daniel's house. Just buy a ticket to the monsters ball. Dracula, Frankenstein, and werewolf men, zombies and mummies and skeletons, dancing and singing on Daniel's house. Just buy a ticket to the monsters ball. Dracula, Frankenstein, and werewolf men, zombies and mummies and skeletons, dancing and singing on Daniel's